friends, thank you for joining me. Welcome to today's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we are looking at this Maths Olympiad question. The question reads, if 2 power x equal x power 32, find x. What will be the value of x that will satisfy both the left-hand side and the right-hand side of this transcendental equation? Because this is a transcendental equation because we have exponential and a polynomial of degree 32. When an equation involves both exponential and a polynomial, we call it transcendental equation. Let's look at how we can solve for x. First thing to do, we write down the solution. And we have 2 power x equals to x power 32. Step 1, or the first step, is for us to find the LCM of this power. The LCM now of this power is just their product. That's 32 times x. That will be 32x. Next, we use this LCM to divide each power here. That will be 2 power x now divided by the LCM 32x will be equals to x power 32 divided by the LCM 32x. Then we reduce it. X here 1, x here 1. We'll be left with 2 power 1 divided by 32 will now be equals to 32 here 1, 32 here 1. We'll be left with x power 1 divided by x. Clearly here, on the right hand side, the base and the power is just the reciprocal of the base on the right hand side. We don't have problem with the right hand side. But if we check the left hand side, the power is not the reciprocal of the base 2 here. So we have to modify this left hand side such that the power will be the base, will be the reciprocal of the base. We look at possible option. So we have 2 here. If we raise 2 to power 1, or 2 power 2, or 2 power 3, or 2 power 4 in that order, or 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8 in that order. Which one? Such that when we look at the power and the base, the power is just the reciprocal of the base. Let's look at how we can modify it. If we use 4, for instance, that would be 2 power 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 32 times the reciprocal of this 4. What are we going to get? 2 power 4 is 16. 32 times 4 is not 16. Rather, it is 128. 4 is not going to work. What about 6? So let's check 8. 2 power 8 multiplied by 132 times the reciprocal of that 8. 2 power 8 is 256. 32 times 8 is 256. We realize that we have 256 power 1 divided by 256. Yes. The power is actually the reciprocal of the base. And we do not change anything because if we say 8 here 1, 8 here 1, we still have 2 power 1 divided by 32. So it means you pick this. So in place of 2 power 1 divided by 32, we can replace it as, let me take it here, 2 now, power 8 times 1 divided by 32 times the reciprocal of this power here, which is 1 divided by 8. This will now be equals to x power 1 divided by x. The m, as I said, so that we can, the left hand side, the base is just, the power is just the reciprocal of the base. That's what we are trying to achieve. Okay? So at this point here, we can say 2 power 8 is 256. 1 times 1 is 1 divided by 32 times 8, of course, is 8 times 2 is 16, put 6 carry 1. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1, 25. That will be 256. Will be equals to x power 1 divided by x. Clearly here by comparing, x is equals to 256. X now is equals to 256, or we can say 1 over x. 1 over x is equals to 1 over 256. When we cross multiply, we still get x as 256. Very important. So the value of x is nothing but 256. And we can check. There's what we call to check. Let's clean here and see how we can check. Let me take it here so that we can check. Let me write it to check now. To check whether it is true, let's plug back the value of x now into the original equation. This will now be 2 power 256 will be equals to 256 power 32. It means anywhere we see x here, we plug in as 32, 256. This is the same thing as 2, this 256 is the same thing as 2 power 8. This will not be this 256, 2 power 8 times 32. Very important. This will be 2 power 8 is 256, will now be equals to 2, 8 times 32 is 256. Hence, proof. Clearly, the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Truly, the value of x is nothing but 256. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting and amazing videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.